Welcome back to Cosne Media. In today's video we are going to delete a YouTube channel. I will show you how you can delete your own YouTube channel. As you can see, we are in this channel. I have posted this video and I want to delete the channel. Remember, when you are deleting your channel, you are going to lose everything: your statistics, your subscribers, your content, and everything. So go to settings, go to channel, like that. In here there is this option of advanced setting. Come here to remove YouTube content, like that. It will direct you to this site here. As you can see, enter your password, like that. In here you will see two options where you can hide your channel and also you can delete your channel. So if you are going to hide your channel, just hide it like that. Hide my content, like that, and your channel will be hidden, as you can see here. If you want now to proceed to delete your channel, like here, like for example in here, also you can delete using this icon here. Just click on it, go to I want to delete my content, just check and just delete your account. It will ask you to enter the email. Your email is listed here. Just copy using Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste, and proceed. As you can see, we have deleted the content of the channel. Now you don't have any subscribers, you don't have any video in your account, you don't have anything in your account. You will just create another account if you want to. So that is it. If you are going to refresh now here in the content, if you refresh this YouTube Studio like that, you will see that there is something went wrong because there is no content in the channel. So that is it. Thank you so much. Like this video, comment for if you have any question, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, bye.